Dreaming of turning your backyard into a summer paradise? That refreshing escape from the blistering heat is closer than you think, but with so many options, which pool is actually worth your hard-earned money? The cheap one that might collapse, the expensive one that might not be any better? To find the truth, we did what no one else has. We bought, built, and battle-tested the 5 most popular above-ground pools on the market. The results were incredible, and the number 1 pick will absolutely blow your mind. All the links to check prices for yourself are in the video description. Let's dive in. Starting at number 1. Intex Ultra XTR Pool Set with Sand Filter Pump. The Intex 26333EH Ultra XTR Deluxe Rectangular Above-Ground Pool is our favorite above-ground pool because it is spacious enough for several adults and children to swim and play simultaneously and is relatively easy to install. We tested the 20 by 48 foot model. It's available in several sizes, and found it's deep enough for adults to submerge and swim fully but shallow enough for taller kids to stand in. It has everything you need to get started, including a ladder, pump, filter, and cover, so we didn't have to buy anything else. With that said, we found the included cover too small, so we recommend buying a bigger pool cover. Thanks to our robotic pool cleaner, keeping the pool free of pollen from nearby trees was easy. We also used a hand skimmer daily, ran the pump every 2 weeks, and fed chlorine tablets to our floating dispenser weekly to maintain clear water free of bugs and floating debris. Once the site was prepared, setting up the pool was pretty straightforward. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, so we had no issues assembling the pool. Number 2. Intex Round Metal Frame Pool. Our favorite budget-friendly pool is the Intex Metal Frame Pool with Filter Pump. We tested it for several summer months and chose it for this list because it was easy to set up and has the same high-quality construction as our best overall recommendation, but at a much lower price. Although it's not as big as the Ultra XTR, it's perfect for smaller yards and can still fit a few kids and adults. Plus, we think it's a great choice if you like the simplicity of an inflatable pool but want a more durable option. You won't get extra accessories with this pool set, but it has a filter pump with a water capacity of 530 gallons per hour, so it should keep this small pool nice and clean. We found the pump easy to use with just a simple on-off switch. Plus, the pump includes a ground fault circuit interrupter, a handy safety feature that will shut off the pool's pump if water gets into the electrical current. You'll have to purchase an above-ground pool ladder and cover to help keep out debris, as well as a tarp or ground cover underneath the pool. Also, remember that you will need to have a clear, level space for the pool, proximity to an outlet for the pump, and a hose to fill it up. It took us about 6 to 8 hours to fill it up. Number 3. Intex Ultra XTR Pool Set with Saltwater System. If you're looking for an alternative to chlorinated pools, consider the Intex 26367EH Ultra XTR Deluxe Rectangular Above-Ground Swimming Pool Set, which has the added benefits of a saltwater system. During testing, we loved the size and depth of this pool and the filter's effectiveness, which kept floating bugs off the top of the pool. There's enough room for about 10 to 12 adults, or 5 people with inflatable floats, allowing enough room to swim, lounge, and even play. It comes with a volleyball net. One thing we liked about this pool was the clear instructions and the uncomplicated design. There are many boxes and components, and we ended up laying everything out in an unfinished basement to plan the setup due to inclement weather. The setup process, not counting unboxing or planning, took over 2 hours with 2 people, not because of a complicated process but because there was so much to do. Number 4. Bestway Steel Pro Round Above Ground Pool Set. We like the Bestway Steel Pro Round Above Ground Pool Set because it's a great value at under $500. We set one up in our yard between some trees, with sand to level out the ground, and found it to be perfect for floating and relaxation. With a circular layout, a diameter of 14 feet, and a height of 33 inches, this medium-sized pool is larger than our best budget pick, so it's a great choice if you want something a little more roomy yet still relatively affordable. This pool isn't big or deep enough for adults to swim or do activities like pool basketball, but it's the perfect size for relaxing. There's plenty of room for children to splash around and play, and the depth is ideal if you have younger children, supervision still required. Of course, this round pool has a durable steel frame designed for easy setup. We found that the Click Connect system allowed us to combine the pieces with no tools. The company recommends having 2 people available during assembly, which aligns with our experience. Number 5. Palisades above-ground hard-sided pool package. If you have the space and budget, we think the Palisades above-ground hard-sided pool makes a great addition to any backyard space. It fits up to 12 adults and is one of the sturdiest options on this list, with sides made of hard resin and weather-resistant steel top rails, uprights, and bottom rails. Plus, this pool is backed by a 25-year warranty. The setup is more complicated than many other options. You need ample level space, and you or a professional may need to compact the soil. The setup requires at least 2 people. Even experienced DIYers recommend hiring a professional. However, the kit includes plenty of extras to help make it worth the effort: a blue pool liner, wide mouth skimmer and return, pool light, sand filter, and 1 HP pump. We also appreciate that it comes with a sturdy A-frame ladder and a maintenance kit. And there you have it, the ultimate showdown and a clear winner for your backyard summer just got a whole lot cooler, ready to make the plunge. Every single product we featured from our champion to the budget pick is linked down in the description below for you to check out. Let me know in the comments which pool you're getting for your family. If this video saved you hours of research and helped you decide, please smash that like button, share this with anyone planning their backyard upgrade, and subscribe for more real-world tests that make your life easier and more fun. Now go make a splash.